In this video, we will demonstrate using your configured and connected QActive system with Spotify, using the Spotify Connect method of streaming music. Your QActive stand mount or tower speaker system must already be configured and connected to the internet. Please watch our setup video if you need any help to do this. You will also need a smartphone or tablet connected to the Wi-Fi with the Spotify app logged into your account. You will also need the QActive remote control paired with the system. Playing the audio through your QActive system from the Spotify app is very straightforward. Open up the Spotify app and select the desired music to play. Then look for the Devices Available icon and select it. The app should then show you a list of compatible Spotify playing speakers in your home, QActive being listed with its friendly name, which you can select. The app will verify that it is playing through QActive, and you should hear the audio play through the system. Once the music is playing via the QActive system, you can use the app to control the volume using the volume gauge, or often the volume buttons on the device when the app is active. You can also use the buttons on the speakers themselves or by using the QActive remote control. You can play, pause, or skip a track in the playlist from the app, or also by using the remote control. You can simply turn off the QActive system from the remote control, or the hub button, which will also stop the Spotify stream. Alternatively, you can stop the stream from the app. The QActive system will automatically enter standby about 30 seconds later. For more information, please visit the knowledge base.